Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get the iOS beta update as quick as possible. For that we go to developer.apple.com and from here tap left in the top on the two lines. Then from here go to account and right here please log in to your Apple ID. Alright, now click on continue. And right now please agree with the option just right here. So I'd like to receive communications, yes. And by checking this box, I confirm that I have read and agree the bound by the agreement above. Then do submit. Right now it says join the Apple Developer Program. When you're ready to build more advanced capabilities and distribute your apps, you can join the Apple Developer Program to distribute on the app. Enroll today. For now, take your time, go to settings, and if you go to general and then go to software update, we have the option now to do a iOS Developer 18 beta update. We can do that if we tap now on this update. I don't want it, but if you want it, it works now. And this is exactly what you need to do to get the beta update on iOS 18. If you have questions, please comment them below so I can help you out. And then for now, thanks for watching.